If you're looking for workshops and classes in Paris, you're in the right place. Explore a wide variety of educational activities to enhance your practical skills, from art to cooking and more. Paris Macaron class at Galeries Lafayette. Discover the artistry behind crafting exquisite macarons, the quintessential French pastries, during a hands-on workshop held within the picturesque heart of Paris's prestigious opera district. Nestled within the serene ambiance of Galeries Lafayette, this specialized culinary experience promises to transform novice bakers into master confectioners. Structured into 2 distinct stages, participants are guided through the meticulous processes of creating both the shell and filling. A professional French pastry chef meticulously demonstrates each step, ensuring that even beginners achieve impeccable results. Participants are encouraged to don their aprons and fully immerse themselves in the learning journey. A highlight of the session is the use of locally sourced organic ingredients to infuse flavors like chocolate and pistachio into the macarons, making them universally appealing. Upon completion of the class, attendees are equipped with all necessary tools and recipes, enabling them to replicate the creations at home with confidence. This experiential workshop caters to a wide audience, including families, friends, and couples, offering a unique opportunity to engage in gastronomic exploration together. Each participant is paired with up to 16 other guests, fostering an inclusive environment where every individual feels valued and supported throughout the session. Participants will emerge from the class armed with a solid understanding of macaron making techniques, ready to elevate their baking skills. They will also acquire a taste for authentic, high-quality desserts, eager to savor their creation once back home. Join us for an unforgettable culinary adventure where passion meets precision, transforming raw materials into delicate works of art that delight the senses. 2-hour bread-making class in Paris. Embark on a culinary journey through the heart of Paris, where a hands-on cooking class offers an unparalleled opportunity to learn traditional French baking skills. Participants will delve into the art of crafting a French baguette, under expert guidance, ensuring each element contributes to achieving a perfect crust and interior texture. Experience the meticulous process firsthand by observing seasoned bakers, meticulously shaping croissants according to their unique recipes and techniques. This intimate learning experience underscores the importance of attention to detail in French bread making. From kneading dough to proofing and final shaping, every aspect is carefully monitored to produce an authentic result. Step back into the cozy ambience of a local family-owned bakery, where the atmosphere is filled with warmth and camaraderie. Here, eager learners can engage in a collaborative effort, sharing tools and insights with experienced bakers who possess decades of expertise. These skilled artisans impart invaluable lessons, passing along family secrets and insider knowledge that ensures participants walk away with both practical skills and a deep appreciation for the craft. Participants will discover the subtle nuances that distinguish French baguettes from other varieties, focusing on achieving the ideal balance between crispness and softness. They will also explore methods for creating variations such as La Paris, a signature product renowned throughout Paris. By mastering these techniques, students will emerge with a comprehensive understanding of French pastry-making principles, capable of replicating these beloved treats at home or within their professional kitchens. This immersive experience promises not only a memorable culinary adventure, but also a profound enrichment of one's gastronomic knowledge, setting the stage for future endeavors in the realm of artisanal bread and pastries. Paris. Cooking class with Ferrandi at Galeries Lafayette. Experience a comprehensive culinary journey at Galeries Lafayette in Paris, catering exclusively to individuals of various proficiency levels. Our expert chefs meticulously prepare a diverse array of gourmet dishes throughout the week. During each session, our skilled instructors provide an immersive learning environment, allowing participants to engage actively with the culinary arts under the guidance of seasoned professionals. Select from these engaging course offerings. Butternut Risotto. Join us every Friday at 11:30 a.m., where you'll delight in crafting a creamy, aromatic masterpiece inspired by traditional Italian cuisine. Duck, pumpkin and chestnut parmentier. Enjoy hands-on preparation on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Perfect for those eager to explore the rich flavors of French gastronomy through this delightful recipe. Both classes offer an enriching opportunity to elevate your culinary skills, ensuring a memorable experience tailored specifically to your interests and abilities. Learn basic French while drinking champagne? Welcome to our exclusive French language and phonetics workshop, a captivating blend of linguistic education and indulgence. This immersive experience offers an unparalleled opportunity for individuals seeking to delve deeply into the nuances of the French language while savoring the exquisite aroma of champagne. Key highlights: French basics mastery. Dive into the foundational elements of the French language, including essential vocabulary, idiomatic expressions, grammatical structures, and practical conversational techniques. Our expert instructors provide engaging lessons and hands-on practice sessions to build a robust linguistic foundation. Phonetic elegance. Elevate your speaking abilities with a concentrated focus on French phonetics. Enjoy fun and informative exercises that aim to improve your pronunciation and fluency, ensuring that you can confidently communicate in French. Cultural immersion. Gain profound insights into French culture through a variety of enriching activities. From understanding historical contexts to experiencing traditional customs, this workshop prepares you to navigate French-speaking environments with ease and respect. Interactive sessions. Engage actively with fellow participants in dynamic group discussions and interactions. These sessions are designed to reinforce your new language skills in a supportive and stimulating environment, creating a sense of community among students. Join us for a transformative journey where the allure of the French language intertwines with the luxurious charm of champagne. Whether you are a novice eager to master the language or an experienced learner aiming to refine your skills, our workshop guarantees an enlightening and memorable experience filled with joyous discoveries and cherished friendships. Cheers to learning and celebrating in style.